Side Hustle Ipon Challenge. 1,000 pesos per month ang sahod mo sa iyong side hustle, ipunin mo yung 50% which is 500 pesos. You will have 6,000 pesos yearly and 30,000 pesos na ipon in 5 years. Kung 2,000 pesos naman ang side hustle income mo, ipunin mo yung kalahati which is 1,000 pesos. You have 12,000 yearly and in 5 years, you have 60,000 pesos. Kung 3,000 naman ang income mo sa side hustle mo, ipunin mo yung 50% which is 1,500. In 1 year, you have 18,000 pesos and in 5 years, you have 90,000 pesos. Kung 4,000 pesos naman ang iyong income sa side hustle and 50% ay ipunin mo which is 2,000, you have 24,000 in 1 year and 120,000 pesos in 5 years. At kung 5,000 naman ang iyong side hustle income, if we're going to save 50% which is 2,500, magkakaroon ka ng 30,000 ipon in 1 year and 150,000 na ipon in 5 years. Please remember, ang pagkakaroon ng extra income ay hindi dagdag gastos, kundi opportunity sa dagdag ipon. So that's all and thank you so much for watching.